Whether you are a casual gamer or an esports pro, I'm going to show you how you can tap into the massive gaming industry and how you can build yourself an online business. From this, you can turn your passion for gaming into a lucrative online business. I'm going to show you how you can get started, how you can monetize your online business, how to find great sub niches for this gaming industry, and also how much money you can make. So, we're going to talk about all of the good stuff coming up next. My name is Rupesh, and I want to take this moment to welcome you to this channel. It's really all about you, and it's about helping you to find best and solid ways to making real money online. And today we're going to do that by showing you how you can tap into the gaming niche. It's a massive industry. I don't know exactly where the amounts lie, but I would guess it's somewhere in the billions. I myself, I'm a gamer, so gamers spend money on accessories, in-game purchases, streaming services, coaching services, and all of that good stuff. So there's definitely a market for you to tap into. It's really all about just focusing and zoning in on that sub niche, and that's one of the things we're going to talk about in on our agenda. So before we get into that, if you want to really get started with building your gaming niche, I have put a link in the video description where it will take you to a community and a platform that will help you choose that sub niche and help you get started off for free, by the way. And from there, you can take it from there if you want to pursue with the training and the community and whatever you. But just to let you know, it's in the video description. So what are we going to talk about today? All right, so the first thing we're going to let's see what's on our agenda actually. So the first thing I'm going to talk to is choosing your profitable game sub niche. Now there's a lot of different sub niches that forms part of gaming, and you're going to see with those sub niches the opportunity that awaits you. Then I'm going to show you some of the traffic strategies that you can employ to get people to see your business, and then we're going to talk about how you can monetize your game niche business. Once you start getting that traffic, then it's so many ways you can monetize and earn money from your business. Of course, I'm going to show you some real life examples. I'm going to give you a lowdown on how much money you can make, and then finally how you can get started, especially if you are brand new. Though you're cool to the gaming industry, but when it comes to starting an online business, I'm going to show how you can get started if you haven't done something like this before. So let's get cracking. Alright, let me give you an idea of some of the sub niches that you can tap into. You can go into gaming accessories and hardware. This is stuff like the headsets or the gaming chairs and monitors. Then you can also go into game development and indie games. Now here you can maybe write reviews on some of the best game design books, or have a YouTube channel on this, or the game development software. You can be an affiliate for the software and you can earn money from that. Also game streaming and content creation. This is where you can talk about streaming, hardware and accessories, gaming art and design tools. These are just few of the sub niches. I'm going to show you the tool towards the end of the video where you can learn and pick up more of these sub niches, and you can go even deeper into it. It's the same link that I showed you earlier on, that I put earlier on, but I'm going to show you it in action towards the end of this video. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so now let's talk about how are you going to actually make money with your gaming business. Well, the main way is to get traffic. Now, you can choose a number of ways to reach out to your audience. You can choose, first of all, SEO and blogging. Now, SEO and blogging is simply where you have a website and you research the high volume but the low competition keywords, and then once you've written a review article on something and starts ranking on Google and the search engines, people will start visiting your website. And once they start visiting website, whether it's commercial articles, this is where, let's just say you've written a review for the best gaming chairs, and the review they found helpful, you will have an affiliate link. People will click on this link, then they'll go to the merchant, they'll make a purchase, and you get your commission. So that's affiliate marketing with SEO. The other way is from YouTube and Instagram, and this is where I'm sure you might have seen various YouTube channels that are gaming channels. Like one of the ones that I like to visit is RG85, and this guy talks a lot about Nintendo, and it's a gaming channel. And remember, not only are you talking about videos and that, but once you start getting enough traffic, you can monetize your website with ads, or you can join the YouTube partner program. But we'll talk more about monetization later. And then you can also do TikTok and Facebook groups. For instance, you can have gaming Facebook enthusiast groups, and then you can also have Pinterest. Now, as promised, I'm going to show you examples in each of these categories coming up. Alright, so the first one I want to show you is on Pinterest. Now, Pinterest, you can have various boards. Now, look at this board here by PC Mag, the best free PC and console games to claim in October. So here, if you click on here, you're going to visit his website. And when you visit his website, he's probably going to talk about the best free console games. And he might have an affiliate link or something else. In fact, let's take a look. Let's visit his website. So he's using Pinterest to get traffic, and then from Pinterest, he's driving this traffic to his website. So here's his article, the best free games, and he's have a table of contents. Okay, can you see that? Yeah, he's talking about various games, and you can watch it. He's got YouTube embedded on his website, and then, if possible, later on, these are the best free games he's talking about. He's got advertisements on his website, so automatically there he's already earning money because he's got ads on his site, so he's earning from ads. Then he's also got best products. Now this is probably the products that he's affiliated with, and any of these tablets that you buy, he's probably linked with an affiliate program, and that I'm going to show you also as well. Pretty cool. And if you buy any of these, he gets a cut from it. So that's from Pinterest, right? Then the very similar thing is on your, this is now a full SEO website called blastawaythegamereview.com. And this guy here has written various gaming accessory reviews, Xbox One Elite review. So once you read this review, then if you decide to, and if you're happy with the review, then you can click on his link and you can go in and buy the remote. Same thing with YouTube. And this guy, PTOD TV, he is reviewing his top rated gaming chairs. And once you click on his description here, he's got various links here where you can go and purchase gaming chairs. So can you see, it's really all about getting traffic to your business. And once you get traffic to your business, you basically can make money in a lot of ways. And I'm going to show you the various ways, the monetization strategies. Let's now quickly talk about the monetization strategies. Once you're getting traffic to your business, you can make money in a number of ways. The first is from affiliate marketing. This is a very common way of doing it, and this is the way that I got started back in 2015 with my number one recommendation, which is in the link below this video. But basically, it just means that you are the middle person and you bring the buyer and the seller together, and whenever a successful transaction takes place, you bag a commission. So it's like PC Mag that I showed you. If somebody buys any of the hardware or gaming chairs or whatever he recommends, and he's got an affiliate link there which is connected to the merchant, so they'll know that somebody bought from his affiliate link, so they will give him a commission. Using sponsored ads on his website, so he can also earn from ad revenue. And another way you can earn is from digital products and courses. For instance, let's just say that, remember earlier on we talked about those books, those I think it was some product creation, digital game development books or something of that sort. If you can promote those on your website or on your channel, and you can earn commissions from that too. So, or you can maybe create your very own course or own gaming product. It's really up to you. Okay, so now I'm going to show you on how you can get started with choosing more of these sub niches. As I promised you in the beginning, if you are a beginner to this, I'm going to show you how easy it is to really getting started if you know if there's a right platform out there for you. And there's a link in the video description, is a custom link where you will come to this place here where you can design and build an online business that you love. It's where I got started out when I first got started with affiliate marketing back in 2015. It's what a company called Wealthy Affiliate now. Yeah, design a business that you love. Now, I want to go down and they will show you on how you can choose a business idea, how to get traffic to it, and how to make money with your chosen niche, which in this case is the gaming niche. So when you put in the word gaming and you click search, you'll see all of these different type of niches, right? And there's so many that you can actually go into. Now, let's say we choose the gaming accessories and hardware. When you click on a link, you can actually choose any niche you want to. And by the way, when you sign up to these guys, it is free. You don't need a credit card. You create a free account. So you choose any niche. So in this case, we're going to go with gaming accessories and hardware. When we choose it, then this is going to come up where you just have to give your credentials to sign up. Now, I want to go into my account and show you that once you sign up on that, this is when you get your own hub that's created. You can create your own website brand. You get a free website and what have you. But I want to show you how to choose the different sub niches. It's already available for you. Now, we chose gaming accessories, right? And can you see, you can talk about so many different accessories: high performance gaming PCs, realistic racing wheels and pedals. Now we'll come back to this one here. Let's go with high performance gaming PCs. Now look at this. These are all the different affiliate programs that you can sign up to. These are the vendors where you can sign up to them for free. And whatever they are having on their website, you promote. Now, if I click on HyperX, I got a window open. Now, this is various accessories that you can promote. For instance, here they have keyboards and they have gaming microphones, gaming PCs, and what have you. Now, if you go down to the bottom, I'm going to show you something. You'll see here where it says partner program. You just click partner program and you can sign up to them for free. Now, initially, when you're first starting off, they need to see that you're getting some sort of traffic to your business. So maybe don't sign up immediately. First, work on getting content to your business. Now, you're going to ask how. I'm going to show you that too. But this site here, what was it? HyperX, 3 to 4%, and you can earn commission from $20 to $55. Now, let's just take a look at some of their products that they have. Let's take a look at some of the gaming keyboards. Remember, I was going to show you how much money you can actually make. Now, take a look at some of the gaming keyboards. Okay, let's rather look at their bundles, the gamer bundles. This is the bundles that come with the headset and everything. Now, 3 to 4%. Okay, let's just say, let's take a look at how much the bundles are. 194%, right? Okay, $209, $245. Now, if you look at just promoting these, okay, if you promote them, you get a commission from them. You just need to make 5 or 6, and that's not bad money for on a daily basis. Imagine you just do that for 5 days. So this is promoting what's this, keyboards and headphones. The other one I was going to show you is on realistic racing wheels and pedals, because I find this pretty cool. Have you ever used one of these? They're pretty cool. So you go into their website. Here's one, trustmaster.com. Now, when you go into Trustmaster, they have an affiliate program, and they pay anything between 3 to 10% of commissions. The same way I showed you on how to find the affiliate program. You click on affiliate, and then you come to the Trustmaster page, and it says you plus us, creators of all-time affiliate program, right? So you can join the affiliate program, and let's take a look at what sort of products they actually have. Now look, theirs was about 3 to 10%. Just look at some of the products that they're selling. The steering wheels. Look at this. Hypercar wheel add-on, $399. So 10% of that is what? $40, all right? How many you need to make? Maybe you even sell 2 or 3, or say you just sell 2, that's $80 a day. And $80 times it by 5, that's already $400 just for selling 2 products. Now, this is very conservative speaking. You could be selling more. It really depends on how much traffic you get into your business, and it depends on a whole lot of other factors. If you're working consistently, at the end of the day, you are building a business. But I wanted to show you the potential that's out there for the gaming industry. And one last thing, I just want to give you a quick teaser. This program does not only show you the various affiliate programs, but they also show you various ways you can get content to your business. Look at this, a guide to the best custom grips for Xbox controllers. These are various content ideas which you can use for both your website, for your Instagram, YouTube channel, whatever. It's really up to you. So click on that link in the video description if you want to get started right away. And there you have it. We're now at the end of this video. You've watched right up till this point, and I want to say thank you very much for your time. What have you learned so far? You've learned that the gaming niche is a booming industry. You have seen the various niches that you can tap into. You can see the opportunity that's available. You can see there are affiliate programs out there. The fact that there's affiliate programs out there means that there is scope for you to make money in this industry. But the second thing is you've also seen real life examples. So if other people are doing it, then you can definitely do it. You just need the right training. You need the right support. You need the right tools to get there. As I've showed you a platform that already helps you to choose your niche, helps you to find the great content ideas just with a click of a button. And all you have to do is you just need that support, and you need to put in the effort, because at the end of the day, you are building a business, so it will take some time. There will be some times where, you know what, it will be ups and downs, and you need that motivation, you need that inspiration. And that's why this platform that I've mentioned to you, they also have a community to guide you and support you every step of the way. There's so many channels of help that you can find there. So it's not just tools, but it's also the support that's there. And I highly recommend that if you are serious about wanting to get started in the gaming niche, then give this platform a chance. Click on the link in the video description, and I'll be there to welcome you and be your support coach if you are ready to get started. Thanks so much once again for your time, for checking out this video. I hope that it has helped you out. If you have any questions or comments, leave it below this video. And don't forget to subscribe so that I can talk to you again in our next video. It was awesome to have you here today. I wish you everything of the best. Goodbye.